Hello guys, welcome back to my how to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start earning rewards from Telegram. First, open your Telegram, then open your Telegram channel. After that, tap on the channel profile at the top, then tap the pen icon, then scroll down and tap on statistics, then tap on monetization. To access the monetization option, make sure your Telegram channel is public and has at least 1000 subscribers. You can view both ad impression and rewards, and in the rewards overview, you can see the status of your rewards, the rewards available for collection, including those accrued since your last withdrawal, as well as the total lifetime rewards are listed here, and you can collect your rewards using Fragment once they are available. By the way, Fragment is a third-party platform used for paying for ads. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.